Hello guys, as you probably know already, in this course we will make this kind of creature combination of orc and a bull. And this is not exactly a bull, but already it's kind of a bull. And for the body of this bull-like creature we will use references from internet. And for the overall thing we will use a concept from this guy, Yang Yun Choi. I hope I am spelling it correctly, but I'm not sure. But Yang Yun Choi is a very good artist, and he agreed to give us this concept to use. And we will use it, you will see it constantly, especially on the first 50 lectures maybe. On the side of the screen it will be always there, and you will be able to follow how we make it on the model. And this is his art station. And my art station is this. His art station is, let's see, yes. He has a very good, nice illustrations, concept art. And this one was chosen for this tutorial. Apart from that, you will be able to download in the downloadable files, you will be able to download the concept art. Also, the references that I will use for the bull, for the body. This is also some kind of cutouts from the concept to better use in Zbrush, but you will see how we'll use them. And some kind of muscular bulls references. And that's and the final render you will also get in the downloadable files. Also, what you'll get is the brush that we will make, which is the brush that have those kind of belt buckles and all the rings and the caps, all these small things that are just we put on our model. That brush will be there. Also the materials that we have made or will make for the model, and yeah, a few other things maybe, but that's all. Let me just congratulate you for choosing this tutorial. I hope you will learn a lot, because you will, most likely, if you of course watch the whole thing. And yeah, I wish you pleasant learning. See you in the next video. Bye.